I just want to quickly go over this file llms.txt for AI search engines or LLMs. So if you're using the Yoast plugin, it actually has the feature to include an llms.txt file for your site. So here I am in the back end of a WordPress website that has the Yoast plugin, as you can see on the left-hand side. So if I just go to Yoast and click on Yoast, should be, oh dear. And then let's see, I think it's under settings. Yes, and then go under settings, and then under settings we have site features. So we're going to click on site features, and it provides a list of all the site features. So this particular Yoast plugin is just a free version. So there's quite a few. There's a few that are premium related features. But right at the bottom, they have this llms.txt option. So all you have to do is enable the feature. You can customize it if you want. So I haven't done that for this site. I just click the enable, and then you're done. Right, so now that you have this llms.txt file for your site, you can actually check, at some point you can actually check that you have this file, and all you do is write, as you do with the robots.txt file, you have your domain / and in this case it's llms.txt, and then it has the file. You can see the file. So this is how you, at least with the Yoast plugin, how you add in the llms.txt files for large language models or AI search engines.